welcome back to the channel. If you like this look, please do keep watching. Before I did my makeup, I used the Super Clarify Cleanser by e.l.f. Cosmetics. I followed that with a toner, and now I'm using the Super Hydrate moisturizer on my skin before I start my makeup. I love these products. This was my first time trying them. When I got this travel size as a gift, I do recommend it. 10 out of 10. I'm getting started with my brows now. I'm using the AOA Skinny Brow Pencil in dark brown and ebony. These are from Shop Miss A. My brows have been growing in so good, so I really don't have to do much. I'm just giving them some shape. And we are done with the brows. Now I'll be using the AOA Paw Paw Concealer in Natural and Porcelain to carve out my brows. Once I'm done, I'm going to do the other side. Perfect. I will be using the Juvia's Place, the Zulu palette, and the Nubian 3 palette for this look. I started with the Nubian 3 palette, and I'm going in with this nude brown shade, and this is going to be my transition color. And now I'm going into the Zulu palette and using this brown to deepen it. Now I'm going to use the leftover concealer on the back of my hand, and I'm going to start carving out my cut crease. When doing this, you want to take your time and try to get both eyes to match as close as possible, but if they don't even sweat it. Now that I have both eyes done, I'm going to go back into the Zulu palette and start with the purple on the outer corners of the cut crease. Once I have that filled in to my liking, I'm going to go back into the Zulu palette and use the pink. Next, I'll be using some orange. Then I'll be using the blue and green shimmers in the palette. Once I have these placed like I want, I'm going to go in and add some yellow. And I'm done with the eyes for now. I'll use the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. This is one of my favorite primers. Once I'm done applying this, to avoid creasing, I'm going to go in with some airspun translucent powder, and I'm going to place it in all the spots that crease the most for me. Next, I'm going to go in with 322 in Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I am shade Warm Honey. Now, remember, if you have nose piercings, flip those septums in and turn those nose rings around. We hate makeup getting into our piercings, so I just had to do that. Now I'm going in with some e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Sand. I do not bake, but I'm going to use the airspun powder and the AOA Perfect Finishing Powder in Honey to set the concealer. I'm going to brush that away and go in with the Black Radiance Contour Palette. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to go in and contour my nose. Once I'm done contouring my nose, I'm going to come in with the Nicka K Pink Crush Blush Palette. It's my favorite. Next, we're going to come in with my trusty BH Cosmetics Blacklight Highlighter Palette. As you can see, we're hitting the pan. And I'm going to highlight my brow bone. Then I'm going in with the AOA Studio Face Stamp two-sided liner pen. One side has a heart on the end of it, the other side is the pen side. And I'm going to start to craft this look that I came up with. This was hard. I actually didn't know what I was going for at first, but you'll see it come together. At this point, I decided to add cheetah prints. Using the heart stamp, I'm going to add that to my eye look. I didn't record this part, but I actually added gems onto my eyes as well. Now I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara. Then I'm going to come in with the Ruby Kisses 24-Hour and Precise Precision Liners in Royal Blue, Neon Blue, and Neon Green on my waterline. My favorite affordable lashes from Dollar Tree by Ioni Cosmetics. LA Colors Auto Lip Liner in Cafe. Ruby Kisses Forever Matte Lipstick in Angel Wings. LA Colors Lip Oil in Honeybun. I do enjoy an ombre lip. This was so cute. And here's the final look. This look was so much fun to do. Here's some high definition photos as usual. If you enjoyed this video, please do give me a like, share it with your friends, and come back for more. Bye!